Each May, Jamaica pauses to remember the nation's most precious treasures, or children, who have been lost to violence through the annual Child Month Candlelight Vigil. It is a solemn gathering where leaders, families gather to honor young lives lost under tragic circumstances, while renewing a promise to protect those still with us. Held at the Secret Garden Monument, also known as Crying Child Monument in downtown Kingston, the vigil has been observed for over 17 years and remains a key staple of Child Month activities, serving as both a memorial and a call to action. Designed by sculptor Paul Napier, the monument features the haunting image of a crying child and bears the names, ages, and dates of death of hundreds of young victims. Over the years, more than 450 names have been etched into its surface, each one a life lost and a story unfinished.
Too much is happening amongst our young people. Within our schools, within our communities, there has to be a different way. And so as we reflect on the life of those who never had the opportunity to shine, let us try and ensure that no more names under tragic and violent circumstances is added to this monument.
Against this backdrop, the vigil becomes more than remembrance. It becomes a demand for change.
And it's our duty to ensure that they are protected and their rights are upheld. We must stand up and speak out against any form of violence or abuse that threatens the safety and well-being of our children. We must be their voice when they cannot speak for themselves, and we must fight for the justice of their behalf. It is our collective responsibility to create a safe and nurturing environment for all children.
Through poems and testimonials, youth groups highlight the challenges they face and their hopes for a better future.
The time is now. We need to act now. Stand against child abuse and exploitation. Be a humanitarian. We demand your protection. Don't abuse your position. Don't abuse your power. Only you can make the abuse rate lower. Not afraid for cause the soca. We depend on you. We are depending on you for our protection.
For many, the vigil is a reminder that awareness alone is not enough.
This is not just another calendar event for the KSAMC. It is a declaration that the KSAM sees the protection and well-being of our children as priority. That their resilience matter, their voices matter, and that their future is something that we will defend with everything that we have.
And like each year, the candles flicker in remembrance. The message remains clear. Every child deserves to feel safe, seen, and supported.
Let us stand with our children. Let us build a safe Jamaica. Let us build communities of hope and inspiration, and most importantly, respect for lives.